For the life of me, I will never be able to tell you why so many manufacturers decide to put this ugly Christmas tree on the back of our super bikes. But I can tell you this, I'm straight. Now, in purchasing your Fender Eliminator kit, I'm sure you can get them anywhere, but I went on and got mine from TST Industries. They do sell their equipment in different modules, but as long as you collect the right ones for your bike, you should be straight. Everything seen here was approximately $180, and that would include the Elite 1 high mount Fender Eliminator, which is pretty much all you need if you weren't adding the turn signals. For the turn signals, I went with the BL6 Universal, and they are sequential left to right. Here we have a mounting kit for the turn signals, and because I have no interest in stripping wires on a brand new bike, I purchased the turn signal plug-and-play adapter kit. So currently shown is everything that comes in the Elite 1 Fender Eliminator kit. These are the side mounting bracket screws that are made especially to adhere to plastic, and we'll be installing those with a screwdriver later in the video. But for installation of just the bracket right now, we'll be using a 10mm socket and a 4mm Allen wrench. And we'll do the final tightening when we adjust to fit it on the bike. So installing the mounting bracket to the license plate holder, you'll use this lineup of bolts, washers, and nuts. So in the end, it'll look a lot like this, with the two washers on the outside. And the reason for this, the stationary bracket is thinner than the adjustable bracket that they send from TST. And the final tightening on this will be done with a 4mm Allen wrench and a 10mm box wrench. And I don't want to do my final tightening on this until I get it on the bike. And now, to achieve the feat that I've been waiting for since I purchased the bike, to accomplish this task, I'll be using a 4mm and 5mm Allen wrench, 12mm socket, and a small flathead screwdriver for the push pin removal. So for our very first upgrade on a brand new motorcycle, I didn't think that went too bad. And of course, I'd never insult my viewers' intelligence with a reassembly. You guys know what to do. But until next time, this is your boy Kachi's Kid, and you know I'm gonna see you in the next one, y'all. Peace, ma.